Welcome to Financial Education Club, Module 7, Step 7. In this step, we're going to establish the business bank account. Before we can go down to the bank, though, to open up a business bank account, we're going to need the articles of incorporation already filed. If they're already filed, you can print them off at your Secretary of State's website. Once you print those off, you also need to have the corporate resolution that we did in the last step. So those two items you're going to need, and then go down to the bank, wherever you want to open up your business checking account, your business bank account, and supply them with those two items and open up the bank account. Once you open up the bank account, your file, Equifax will pick this up, and even though you have no trade lines reporting, at least they'll know you're a business, and they'll have your business name and your business address already on file. So when somebody starts reporting, they already have you right there. So this is a good way to go ahead and start establishing who you are with the credit bureaus also. And just by opening up this account right here, it's already going to ping you in with Equifax.